When you look at big oversold signals, we're talking about oversold signals in Asia, oversold signals in the German equity market, oversold signals in Italian stocks, oversold signals in oil itself. But oversold is oversold for a trade, okay? It's not a trend. The hardest thing to do is where to cover some. Cover some of your core short positions, or on the long bond side, book some gains. Point number 2 this morning is, of course, oil. You get the bounce. The range, the vol of vol, the volatility of volatility for oil is now 31 by 60, okay? For those of you that know what the VIX is, the OVX, can you imagine if the range for the VIX was 31 by 60? Oh my God, you'd have a US stock market crash in the rearview mirror, which is exactly what happened to oil. In quad 4, we don't want you long oil. We don't want you long energy stocks. Yesterday, the worst place you could have been actually in the market was energy stocks. Point number 3 this morning, consumer staples. Now, it's not all bad, okay? There's always something to buy somewhere. On pullback, so you got to wait for these immediate term trade oversold signals. Last week we got one in utilities. Yesterday we get one in consumer staples. Number 1 and number 2, what have I told you, that look the best on my quantitative signal, but also look the best in that slide 8 playbook in quad 4, utilities followed by consumer staples.